Hi, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to list a game on a Metapro market. So first of all, you're going to have to go to metapromarket.com and then you are going to have to connect to your wallet. Now if you don't know how to log into your wallet, all you have to do is click on the link in the comment section under this video and it will show you how to log into your wallet. So after you are connected to your wallet, we can start listing the game on Metapro Market. So first of all, you're going to have to click on Developers Portal and then head over to Create Team. After that, we can start registering a team. So first of all, you're going to have to upload your team avatar. And here you can choose in the zoom and the rotation. And I'm just going to keep it like this. Then I have to click save and I've got a picture. Now here we need to upload a cover image. You can also put in the zoom and the rotation. Just like that. And then I have to click save. Now here we choose the team name. I'm going to put Metapro team and we can write a description. Just like that. And now here you can enter your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, Steam, Medium, LinkedIn, Telegram, Reddit and website links so that people will be able to go to your social profiles. And after you've done all this, you just have to click Create Team. And as you can see, we have our team here. And also to check here, we can just go to Developers Portal. And as you can see, our team is right here. So now that you have created a team, you can start creating an app. So first of all, what you're going to have to do is head onto here, click on Create App. So now I will show you how to register an app. So first of all, let's put in the name. I'm going to put Metapro Games, just like that. Over here, we can put in the preview gallery. The files that are supported are GIF, PNG, JPG, MP4. The max size is 20 megabytes and there are maximum 6 files. Now you don't need to put only a photo, you can also put a video, just like that. But the first file that you put in is going to be the thumbnail of your app, so we recommend that that first file will be a photo, because if that first file will be a video, then that video will be the thumbnail on your app. Now over here we have a description. Now the maximum letters that can be put in a description are 3000, but we recommend that you put a long description because the longer the description will be, the better positioning your game will have on the market. So I'm just going to put one right here. And there's also something like markdown syntax, which is supported here. So for example, if I want all of this text to be headed, all I have to do is put a hashtag. Now if I only want Power Team Game to be headed, then all I have to do is press enter. Now if I want a bold text, all I have to do is put 2 stars at the front and 2 at the back. If I want an italicized text, all I have to do is put 1 star at the front and 1 at the back. And if I don't want all this to be together, all I have to do is put a hard enter, just like that. Now over here we can select a team, just like that. Here we can select a category. I'm going to put action. Here we can put in a release date. Now if the game is already released, you can just put in the date that it was released, but if it's going to be in the near future, you can just put the release date normally. So just for an example, I'm going to put in August the 18th. Here we can select a platform. I'm going to be selecting Windows and putting the link to the store. Just like that. Now if you are using another platform, all you can do is just press add another platform and then you can just click that and put in your own platform. Here we can select the app status. I'm going to put in development because it isn't ready yet. Here we can select an engine. I'm going to be selecting Unity. And here we can put in the supported chains. I'm going to be putting in the BNB chain. And over here we can put in the website, which I'm going to do right now. just like that. And now all I need to do is click on create app. So now that you have created your app, if you want to see where it is, all you need to do is scroll down right here. And if you ever want to edit it, all you need to do is click on this icon, update whatever you want. So I'm just going to put in Metapro game instead of games, and click on update app. As you can see, it has been updated. Now, if you want to see where this app is on the marketplace, all you have to do is click on games, show all apps, and as you can see, your game is right here.